Hi, welcome to Nancy McNally Quilts. I'm Nancy McNally. Today I'm working on creating half square triangles using pre-cut 5-inch squares. Now my darks are already the pre-cuts, and I cut my own light background fabric at 5 inches. So I'm going to show you what I discovered today. So I already have these sewn, and yes, you can see possibly that my light 5-inch square is slightly smaller than the pre-cut 5-inch square. Don't worry about that. As long as your pre-cut is cut at 5 inches and not smaller, this technique will work. So in a pattern, oftentimes when we need a 4.5-inch half square triangle, you cut a 4 7/8 inch square, and then you go right sides together with your light and your dark squares. So since I've already drawn my diagonal line, and you can't see the stitches, but I have sewn already a 1/4 inch on either side of that diagonal line. Now, instead of cutting apart on the diagonal line first, pressing my new 2 half square triangles, and then trimming down to 4.5 inches, I'm going to trim it now. And what I'm doing is I'm going to use my creative grid ruler so that I can see through it, and I am going to line up the 4 7/8 inch line on my ruler in this corner right here. Then I will just make 2 cuts, and then I will cut it open on the drawn or the marked line and press, and both of my triangles, half square triangles, will be 4.5 inches. So let's line those up. And also I use the 45-degree line that I have drawn, and the one that is on the ruler, I line those up. So we're going to make sure that my 4 7/8 inch line is running along the bottom of my fabric and is in the corner, and we're going to tilt it slightly this way. Open up my rotary cutter. We're going to cut and cut. We're going to pull this away and this away, and next I'm going to cut apart on the drawn line. Now I'm going to press them open and measure just to show you that it comes out at 4.5 inches. There's one. There's 2. And there we go, 4.5 inches. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this quilt. I hope you have enjoyed this quick quilting tip by Nancy McNally. Have a wonderful day. Happy quilting, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click on the red button below. You can also visit my website at nancymcnallyquilts.com.